Here, my latest work. I love it. It's off the table. I'm not adding anything, but I love to share with you from my art table and my heart to everyone. This is my latest. It started something, and as usual with fluid painting, it ended up with something totally different. But almost what I envisioned, and I like it. I like what's the paint did. It's like silk painting, exactly the same. Fluid painting does its own thing, and the wind outside, the sound of the leaves is just amazing. And it is better than music. It's just soothing, and I've been working on this for a long time. And I'm glad my fluid paint is fluid for a long time for me. And it is my recipe, actually, how I make my recipe. From my heart, from my art table. You have a great day, and see you in the next one. Goodbye, and thank you. Be happy.